Catering to the increasing visitor demands without breaking budget is demanding. With immersive storytelling in over 30 languages, SmartGuide helps museums deliver immersive experience without extra hardware or staff. Visitor expectations are growing, they want immersive experiences. Exhibits with long texts are boring, and hardware audio guides are nightmare to maintain. Live guides are expensive, have limited language skills, and they are in short supply in the peak season. Having an Italian-speaking guide for the occasional Italian visitor simply does not pay off. The result? Low engagement and missed revenue. The SmartGuide app turns a traveler's phone into an engaging personal guide. It helps visitors navigate through the exhibits both indoor and outdoor, online or offline, self-guided at their own pace or part of a group. Just like a live guide, it tells engaging stories about each exhibit in the visitor's preferred language. Audio helps visitors consume 3 to 4 times more content than reading signs, and you can enhance it with AR, quizzes, or kid-friendly content. One smart QR code is all you need to share rich, multilingual content without visual clutter. SmartGuide also supports triggering content by NFC tags or Bluetooth beacons if you want exhibits completely clear of clutter. Plus, you don't have to worry about charging, renting, and repairing audio guide devices. No need to provide or sanitize shared headphones. The app plays audio based on context. In headphones if connected, softly like a call when held to the ear indoors in order not to disturb others. Visitors can explore fully self-guided, and the storytelling sets the pace so they flow smoothly without forming crowds. And for live tours, SmartGuide supports over 30 languages, so you can welcome international visitors without extra guides or long wait times. Creating your guide is easy. Use our web editor to upload texts, generate routes, add photos or videos, and auto-generate voiceovers and translations. No IT skills needed, you're in full control, and updates take minutes. If you have an existing ADUI guide system, you can import content to SmartGuide. With AI translation into 30+ languages and automated audio, you can instantly offer multilingual guides. Detailed usage analytics will help you identify which languages you can upgrade by human translations and audio. SmartGuide Essential Package starts at just €48 a month and includes a premium ad-free app, analytics dashboard, offline access, and priority support. You can even sell your guide to cover costs or profit. Join hundreds of tourist attractions and destinations that already choose SmartGuide as their official guide. Contact us to start your free trial or discuss how we can help digitize your museum today.